to create champions and coach in Gym Coach app. Champions refer to the achievement completed by your clients. To add champions, go to the account section and then click champions. Now click on to the plus icon above and you will see add image option, where you can add image of your client transformation of before and after by selecting from gallery. Secondly, you should give the champion name followed by their transformation achievement in brief consisting of month and etc. After this, click on submit to add the champion. Coming up next, to create coaches, tap on the account section and then click coaches. Now you can see your existing or added coaches, where you can click on them and know about their specialities and descriptions. Same way, if you want to add new coaches, tap onto the plus icon above and upload pictures of the coach from gallery. Next, give the coach name followed by the coach specification and specialization in brief and then description about the coach in a paragraph. After this, click on to submit and your coach will be created. In this way, you can create champions and add coaches in Gym Coach app. Thank you.